Hi, I'm Joe from Family Handyman. When it comes to summer, having your air conditioner working properly is a must. To keep your air conditioner running smoothly through the whole summer, it basically comes down to one singular thing. Let me show you what that is. Before you get started with this project, you want to cut the power to the unit. You can do that at your circuit breaker or right here at the box. The secret to making your air conditioner run worry-free all summer long is cleaning the condenser. And that entails taking a few screws off the front panel to clean the debris off the coils. Once you get the screws all removed, you can start removing the panels. You see how much debris is on the coils. This unit has only been running for one season. There's several ways to clean the condenser fin. You know what I found? My snow brush in the back of my car. But you can also use a power head you can get from the hardware store. Remember, they're very delicate. When you're brushing, you want to use a light touch because you don't want to bend the fins. And if you're using a power hose nozzle like this, you don't want to go straight on. You want to take it from the top and clean the fins that way. Simply move all the way around the unit till all the debris is clear. You see how clean the condenser coils are? Now we're going to complete the project by putting the panels back on. Power's back in, we're all set to go. Now you don't have to worry about this till next spring. Wasn't that hard? For more tips on appliances and devices, visit us at familyhandyman.com.